Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran. وَمَا أَصَابَكُمْ يَوْمَ الْتَقَى الْجَمْعَانِ فَبِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ وَلِيَعْلَمَ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. Translation: And whatever you suffered on the day when the two armies clashed in Uhud, it was with permission of Allah, so that He might make the true believers known. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always in absolute and complete control. He can give victory to whoever He wills, and He can give defeat to whoever He wills. The defeats of Muslims are not because Allah don't like Muslims and Allah likes the kuffar, but the defeat of Muslims is because Allah wants to train the Muslims so that the Muslims can correct their weaknesses. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's absolute wisdom at the time of Uhud was that Muslims should not win, and they should see the defeat so that they can correct their weakness that was present among them. And the situation became like this, that Muslims got defeated at that time, and whatever happened as the commandment and as the will of Allah. But the reason for that was the weakness in Muslims. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted to show everyone, the true believers who had true iman, believe in, who had sincere hearts. And on the other hand, all the hypocrites were shown to the world, who had no or very little iman and who had no sincerity. The true and the false were cleared to everyone, and that was something which was needed at that time, so that the most Muslims can make their lines more strong. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and help us. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.